Imagine everything you've been told about ancient Egypt is a shadow of truth, a mere facade. The Great Pyramid of Giza, hailed universally as a tomb, is not what it seems. For over a century, scholars have fed you a narrative of pharaohs and funerary rites. But what if I told you this grand edifice was not a tomb at all? Its very structure defies the purpose of burial. No hieroglyphs, no sarcophagus, just cold, precise engineering. Its internal passageways are not for the dead but for something very much alive. And who is responsible for this grand misdirection? The gatekeepers of conventional history, academic institutions driven by a need for control over our understanding of the past. They've ensured that the true purpose of the Great Pyramid remains buried beneath layers of accepted truths. Brace yourself as we unearth the engineering marvel that defies its own history. Behold the King's Chamber, a room that should not exist in a mere tomb. Constructed with precision that modern engineers can only dream of replicating, and lined with rose granite known for its conductive properties. It is a marvel of acoustic and electromagnetic design. The meticulous alignment of the pyramid with the Earth's cardinal points suggests an intention far beyond the ceremonial. Inside, the chamber vibrates with a frequency that speaks to the heart of the Earth itself. Sir William Flinders Petrie, an early Egyptologist, was among the first to notice the anomalous electromagnetic properties here in 1881, yet his findings were conveniently buried in obscurity. Why would such critical evidence be hidden? Those who control the narrative could not afford the world to see the pyramid as a machine, a power plant, an ancient structure capable of harnessing energies we barely comprehend. The plot thickens when we consider the curious case of the Grand Gallery. This narrow, sloped corridor, with its precisely cut notches, resembles nothing found in any other so-called tomb. Its purpose remains elusive, yet its construction hints at sophisticated technology. Investigations by the enigmatic inventor Nikola Tesla, who in the late 19th century alluded to the pyramid's potential for wireless energy transfer, were dismissed as fantasy by established historians. The gallery's design suggests an intricate system of energy amplification, a concept too advanced for its time. Could it have been a massive resonance chamber, fine-tuned to channel and even magnify Earth's natural frequencies? The silence from academic gatekeepers is deafening, as they have yet to provide a satisfactory explanation that aligns with their narrative of primitive Egyptian society. A further anomaly lies in the so-called Queen's Chamber, a misnomer if there ever was one. This enigmatic room, with its unassuming air shafts, is at the heart of the pyramid's true function. When explored in the late 1800s by Wayman Dixon, the chamber revealed a concealed door with copper fittings, an anomaly that modern tombs do not possess. Dixon's discovery defied the tomb narrative and was conveniently ignored in mainstream archaeological circles. The copper fittings hint at an electrical purpose, perhaps part of a greater network designed to channel energy throughout the pyramid. This chamber, like the others, remains a puzzle piece in a picture that academia refuses to complete. The evidence suggests a technology lost to time, a knowledge of science that predates our own by millennia. Connecting these anomalies is the undeniable pattern of suppression. Consider the bent pyramid of Dashur, built by Sneferu, which exhibits similar structural complexities. Its angled design suggests an experimental phase in harnessing energy, a notion dismissed quietly by historians. Add the Baghdad Battery, an artifact unearthed in 1938 but described in literature as early as the mid-1800s, capable of generating electricity, and the Antikythera mechanism, a device of intricate gears from ancient Greece, and a pattern emerges. These technologies, scattered across time and space, reveal an ancient network of knowledge. The institutions that dictate the narrative have a vested interest in maintaining the status quo. They suppress these truths to keep us bound to a linear understanding of history, one that denies the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations and their advanced capabilities. The first artifact isn't hidden deep within the pyramid but rather in plain sight: the casing stones. These remarkable blocks of Tura limestone were polished to an almost mirror-like finish, capable of reflecting sunlight with an intensity that could be seen from miles away. Such precision in polishing and alignment led 18th century explorer Count Volney to speculate about their true purpose, a notion quickly dismissed by his contemporaries. These stones could have served as solar collectors, focusing energy into the pyramid. The erasure of Volney's theories from textbooks wasn't accidental. It was a calculated move by academic authorities to suppress this anomalous evidence. The mainstream narrative insists these stones were merely decorative, yet the sophistication of their craftsmanship suggests an entirely different agenda. A technology that could harness solar power long before modern civilization even dreamt of it. Venture into the subterranean depths of the pyramid, where another enigma awaits: the subterranean chamber. Unlike any other known tomb, this unfinished room lies beneath the structure, carved directly into the bedrock. It's not a burial chamber but a resonating cavity, theorized by 19th century engineer Sir Joseph Davidovits to be a critical component of an ancient energy system. His research showed that sound resonance could be amplified here, creating a frequency capable of interacting with the pyramid's other chambers. This theory was swiftly buried by institutions fearful of altering the established history. The chamber's acoustical properties and unexplained purpose challenged the notion of a simple burial site, pointing instead to a sophisticated understanding of sound and energy manipulation. The silence from historians is a testament to the threat this evidence poses to their carefully curated narrative. The Grand Gallery, a marvel of ancient engineering, contains yet another piece of forbidden evidence. Its corbelled walls, built with painstaking precision, are reminiscent of a massive waveguide, a structure designed for the propagation of electromagnetic waves. Early 20th century physicist Nikola Tesla, known for his groundbreaking work in electricity and magnetism, postulated that the gallery's dimensions could have been used to generate and transmit wireless energy. This idea was quickly sidelined by mainstream historians who refused to acknowledge the implications. The academic world, driven by its rigid adherence to accepted narratives, chose to ignore the possibility of the pyramid being a technologically advanced structure. Instead, they continue to mislead the public, portraying it as a primitive construction. All the while the truth lay hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to challenge the status quo. Consider the pyramid's alignment with the stars, an astronomical precision unmatched by any other ancient structure. Its orientation to true north, with less than 1/10 of a degree of error, was recognized by astronomer John Greaves in the 17th century. He suggested that the pyramid could be a celestial observatory, a hypothesis that threatened to upend the accepted belief of an unsophisticated ancient Egypt. The Royal Society of London, an influential scientific body at the time, actively discredited Greaves' work, ensuring it was relegated to the annals of fringe science. This alignment hints at an advanced understanding of the cosmos, one that could allow the pyramid to harness celestial energies. The systematic erasure of Greaves' findings from public discourse underscores a deliberate effort to maintain a simplistic view of history, denying the pyramid its rightful place as a beacon of ancient scientific achievement. The final piece of this intricate puzzle lies in the pyramid's capstone, or rather, its absence. Historical accounts from the 18th century describe a now-missing capstone that may have been the key to the pyramid's power. It was said to be made of a material not found on Earth, possibly an alloy designed to conduct and focus energy. Researchers like Howard Weiss, who examined the pyramid in the 1830s, noted its absence but were met with skepticism and silence from their peers. The missing capstone represents the ultimate suppression, a deliberate omission from history that could unlock the pyramid's true purpose. Without it, the pyramid stands incomplete, a silent testament to a lost technology. Its absence is not just a mystery, but a symbol of the knowledge we have been denied, a glaring omission that continues to confound and challenge the narrative maintained by those who fear the truth. The first suppressed anomaly is the curious case of the pyramid's water channels. Beneath the structure lies a complex network of tunnels and chambers believed to have once been filled with water from the Nile. These subterranean aquifers, discovered in the early 19th century by Giovanni Battista Belzoni, hint at a hydraulic system that could generate vibrational energy. Belzoni's findings were met with resistance, his theories dismissed as fantastical. Yet, the resonance of water, combined with the pyramid's quartz-rich granite, could have created piezoelectricity, a concept only understood in modern physics. This energy, generated by pressure on quartz, could have powered something beyond our current understanding. The academic circles, fearing a rewrite of history, buried Belzoni's work, leaving this potential energy source unexplored and unacknowledged, a silent testament to the possibilities of ancient ingenuity. Consider the enigmatic sarcophagus within the king's chamber, a single-piece granite box with no lid. Its dimensions are precise, resonating with a frequency that harmonizes with the Earth's. Explorer Sir Richard Weiss, in the 1830s, noted its mysterious nature, but his reports were overshadowed by the focus on treasure hunting. This so-called sarcophagus could have functioned as a resonator, amplifying frequencies to power the pyramid's core. Its placement and material suggest a role far beyond that of a resting place for the dead. Mainstream historians, unwilling to challenge the tomb narrative, ignored Weiss' observations, leaving this artifact's true purpose shrouded in mystery. The academic silence surrounding this feature highlights a reluctance to embrace a past where technology and spirituality intertwined, a testament to the complex knowledge possessed by ancient engineers. Another piece of forbidden evidence lies in the pyramid's mysterious air shafts. These narrow channels, discovered in 1872 by engineer Wayman Dixon, run from the king's and queen's chambers to the exterior. Dixon noted their alignment with specific stars, suggesting a purpose beyond ventilation. These shafts could have served as conduits for energy or communication, perhaps even aligning with cosmic frequencies. Despite their precise engineering, they are often dismissed as symbolic pathways to the afterlife. The academic dismissal of Dixon's findings illustrates a broader reluctance to explore the pyramid's technological potential. By ignoring these shafts' possible functions, historians have stifled inquiry into how the ancients might have interacted with their environment and the cosmos, choosing instead to confine their understanding to the realm of ritual and superstition. The enigmatic pyramid texts, carved into the walls of nearby pyramids, offer another clue. These inscriptions, deciphered in the late 19th century, speak of a primordial energy harnessed by the gods. Scholars like Gaston Maspero, who translated them, noted their references to a cosmic power, yet these interpretations were downplayed. The texts describe vibrations and light, concepts that resonate with the pyramid's potential as an energy-harnessing structure. Despite their significance, these texts are often relegated to the realm of mythology, their technological implications ignored by institutions wary of challenging the status quo. The deliberate minimization of these texts' meanings reflects a broader effort to maintain a simplified narrative of ancient history, denying the possibility of a sophisticated understanding of energy that predates modern science. Finally, there is the pyramid's unique geographical placement. Situated at the Earth's center of land mass, it aligns with the planet's cardinal directions with an accuracy that defies the technology of the supposed time. This location, noted by 18th century geographer Charles Piazzi Smith, suggests a deliberate choice by its builders, perhaps to optimize its energy capacities. Smith's theories, which linked the pyramid's placement to a global energy grid, were marginalized by the scientific community, eager to maintain their narrative of a primitive past. The rejection of Smith's observations underscores an institutional reluctance to explore the pyramid's potential role in a planetary network of ancient sites. This geographical anomaly remains a testament to a forgotten era of engineering prowess and cosmic awareness, a challenge to the simplistic history that continues to dominate academic discourse. As we assemble the pieces of this obscured puzzle, the undeniable emerges. The Great Pyramid was never intended as a mere tomb. Its engineering feats, from its precise alignment to the intricate internal chambers, speak of a purpose aligned with energy generation and transmission. The refusal of academic institutions to acknowledge this evidence stems from a fear of unraveling the tightly woven fabric of accepted history. The suppression of figures like Sir William Flinders Petrie and Charles Piazzi Smith is not coincidental. These individuals challenged the status quo, daring to suggest a history where ancient civilizations possessed knowledge akin to, or even surpassing, our own. The pyramid's role as a power plant is not an outlandish theory but a logical conclusion drawn from physical evidence. Yet, the gatekeepers of history continue to shield this truth, preserving a narrative that diminishes the accomplishments of our ancestors. The involvement of Nikola Tesla, although fleeting, is crucial in understanding the pyramid's potential. Tesla's research into wireless energy transfer in the late 19th century suggested that the pyramid's design mirrored his own ideas for free energy distribution. His work hinted at the pyramid as a massive resonator, capable of harnessing natural energy frequencies. The academic dismissal of Tesla's connections to the pyramid reveals a deeper agenda, keeping humanity tied to a history devoid of technological marvels. The systematic disregard of Tesla's theories by established historians is not founded in fact but in a desire to protect their version of history. This continued oversight prevents society from exploring ancient technologies that could revolutionize our current understanding of energy and its applications. Tesla's insights are a beacon to those willing to see beyond the veil of accepted truths, urging us to reevaluate the pyramid's true purpose. The suppressed knowledge of the pyramid's purpose isn't an isolated incident but part of a larger pattern of historical amnesia. The same forces that deny the pyramid's true role have also hidden other ancient technologies. Consider the Baghdad battery, an ancient artifact capable of generating electricity, and the Antikythera mechanism, an intricate device used for astronomical calculations. These artifacts, like the pyramid, challenge the narrative of a primitive past. The dismissal of these technologies by mainstream historians is a protective mechanism, shielding their linear interpretation of history. The implications of acknowledging such advanced ancient technologies would reshape our understanding of human potential, suggesting that ancient civilizations possessed knowledge that could rival our own. This systematic suppression of evidence is a deliberate act to maintain control over the narrative, preventing a shift in how we view our ancestors and their achievements. The erasure of ancient knowledge extends beyond artifacts. It infiltrates our understanding of ancient texts as well. The pyramid texts, with their references to vibrational energy and cosmic forces, are too often relegated to mythology. Yet, their words resonate with the pyramid's engineering, suggesting a society well-versed in harnessing natural energies. Scholars like Gaston Maspero, who translated these texts, recognized their technological implications, yet their work was downplayed. This dismissal is not due to a lack of evidence but a reluctance to acknowledge a past where spirituality and technology intertwine seamlessly. The deliberate minimization of these texts' meanings reflects an effort to maintain a simplistic narrative of ancient history, one that denies the possibility of a sophisticated understanding of energy that predates modern science. The pyramid texts offer a glimpse into a forgotten world where humans and the cosmos danced in harmony, a narrative suppressed by those who fear its implications. As we peel back the layers of deception, one unavoidable conclusion emerges. The Great Pyramid was designed as a power plant. This is not a fringe theory but a logical deduction based on the convergence of engineering, geographical alignment, and historical texts. The refusal of academic institutions to embrace this understanding is a testament to their fear of rewriting history. This narrative, maintained by the gatekeepers of knowledge, serves to keep us bound to a linear view of history, one that diminishes the capabilities of ancient civilizations. The evidence is overwhelming, yet the silence persists, a chilling reminder of the control exerted over our understanding of the past. Before the video ends, delve into the works of Nikola Tesla and Sir William Flinders Petrie. Their insights offer a roadmap to rediscovering the truths hidden beneath the sands of time. The eerie silence surrounding the Great Pyramid's true purpose is not just a historical oversight. It's a calculated erasure. The voices of those who dared to question the tomb narrative, like Giovanni Battista Belzoni and Charles Piazzi Smith, were systematically silenced, their discoveries buried. These pioneers hinted at the pyramid's technological capabilities, but the academic gatekeepers, driven by an agenda to maintain control, dismissed their work as speculative. This suppression is not merely an academic controversy. It's an assault on our collective memory and understanding of human potential. The Great Pyramid sits as a monumental enigma, its secrets locked away not by the sands of time, but by a deliberate choice to obscure a truth that challenges the status quo. The silence speaks volumes, a warning to those who dare to question the narrative and an invitation to uncover the hidden truths of our past. Imagine the implications if the Great Pyramid's true function as a power plant is acknowledged. This revelation could redefine our understanding of ancient civilizations, portraying them not as primitive builders, but as sophisticated engineers capable of harnessing the Earth's natural energies. The potential for such a discovery to revolutionize modern energy solutions is immense, yet the institutional silence remains deafening. The academic world, by refusing to explore this possibility, denies humanity the chance to learn from our ancestors' technological prowess. The pyramid, in its grandeur and precision, stands as a testament to a forgotten era of ingenuity. Its true purpose, hidden beneath centuries of misinformation, calls out to those courageous enough to challenge the prevailing narrative. The gateway to a deeper understanding of our past and future lies within its ancient stones, waiting to be unlocked. The deliberate obscuring of the pyramid's true purpose is a testament to the control exerted by academic gatekeepers. Universities and scientific institutions, by denying alternative theories, maintain a historical narrative that serves their interests. This monopoly over knowledge ensures that the public remains unaware of the pyramid's potential as a beacon of ancient innovation. The fear of rewriting history keeps these gatekeepers in power, but the truth is resilient. As more evidence surfaces, the cracks in their narrative grow wider. The Great Pyramid, with its enigmatic design and unexplained features, refuses to be silenced. It challenges us to reconsider what we know about our past and to imagine a future where ancient technologies are integrated into modern science. The time has come to lift the veil of suppression and embrace the possibilities that this monumental structure holds. The Great Pyramid is not just an architectural wonder. It is a testament to human ingenuity and an enigma that defies time. Its alignment with the stars, the precision of its construction, and the mysteries of its chambers all point to a purpose far beyond that of a mere tomb. The potential for the pyramid to be a power plant is not an isolated theory but an idea supported by suppressed evidence and forgotten research. This perspective challenges us to look beyond the confines of accepted history and to explore the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations and their advanced understanding of energy. The silence from academic institutions is a barrier, but it is not insurmountable. By questioning the narrative, we honor the legacy of those who dared to see beyond the surface and embrace the possibility of a history rich in technological achievements. As we conclude our journey into the mysteries of the Great Pyramid, one thing is certain: the narrative of a mere tomb cannot withstand the weight of evidence pointing to an advanced power plant. The knowledge hidden within this ancient structure is a call to action, urging us to question who writes our history and why. The pyramid stands as a silent guardian of secrets, waiting for those with the courage to uncover its truths. The institutional forces that seek to maintain the status quo can no longer suppress the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Before you leave this exploration, delve into the works of Nikola Tesla and Sir William Flinders Petrie, and consider what else might lie beneath the sands of time, waiting to be discovered. The past is not as distant as it seems, and its echoes continue to shape our future. The Great Pyramid's potential as a power plant is not merely speculative but rooted in the very fabric of its construction. The pyramid's dimensions, when analyzed, reveal a mathematical precision that aligns with the golden ratio and pi, suggesting a design that harnesses natural harmonics. This alignment is not an accident but a deliberate choice by its builders to create a structure that resonates with the Earth itself. The academic world, however, has largely ignored these findings, focusing instead on the monument's supposed role as a tomb. The refusal to explore these mathematical anomalies reveals a fear of acknowledging a past where ancient architects possessed an understanding of geometry and physics that rivals modern knowledge. The pyramid's design is a testament to a forgotten time when science and art were intertwined, challenging us to reconsider the capabilities of ancient civilizations and the legacy they left behind. The pyramid's location at the precise center of the Earth's landmass is a geographical anomaly that defies conventional explanation. Its builders, with an uncanny awareness of the planet's dimensions, placed it in an optimal position to interact with the Earth's electromagnetic field. This placement suggests an advanced understanding of geophysics, a field not recognized by mainstream historians as within the grasp of ancient civilizations. The academic gatekeepers, by ignoring this geographical precision, perpetuate a narrative that denies the sophistication of ancient knowledge. This deliberate oversight prevents a deeper exploration into the pyramid's potential as a global energy conduit. The pyramid's location is not a coincidence but a calculated decision, reflecting a mastery of geography that challenges our understanding of the ancient world and its capabilities. The time has come to acknowledge this truth and to explore the implications for our own technological advancements. The pyramid's construction materials hold secrets that hint at its function as a power plant. The use of limestone, known for its insulating properties, and granite, rich in quartz crystals, suggests a deliberate choice to create a structure capable of conducting and amplifying energy. This combination of materials could generate piezoelectricity, a concept understood by modern science but seemingly utilized by ancient builders. The academic dismissal of this theory reveals a reluctance to admit that ancient civilizations may have harnessed natural materials to create technological wonders. The pyramid's construction is a testament to the ingenuity of its creators, who understood the properties of the Earth's minerals and their potential applications. By refusing to investigate this evidence, historians deny us the opportunity to learn from our ancestors and to apply their insights to modern challenges. The pyramid's materials are not just relics of the past but keys to a future where ancient knowledge informs contemporary innovation. The deliberate alignment of the pyramid with celestial bodies is a testament to the astronomical knowledge of its builders. The shafts within the pyramid point directly to key stars, suggesting a purpose beyond mere decoration. This alignment could have been used to harness cosmic energy, a concept that resonates with modern astrophysics. The academic dismissal of this possibility is a disservice to the achievements of ancient astronomers, who understood the universe in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. By ignoring the pyramid's celestial connections, historians deny the sophistication of ancient science and its implications for our understanding of the cosmos. The pyramid's alignment is not just an architectural wonder but a gateway to a deeper appreciation of our place in the universe. It challenges us to explore the connections between ancient wisdom and modern science, revealing a world where the stars and the Earth were part of a unified system of knowledge. As we draw this exploration to a close, the evidence is clear. The Great Pyramid was designed with a purpose far beyond that of a tomb. Its engineering, materials, and alignment all point to a structure capable of harnessing energy, a testament to the ingenuity of its builders. The academic institutions, by refusing to acknowledge this possibility, perpetuate a narrative that diminishes the achievements of ancient civilizations. But the truth cannot be silenced forever. The pyramid stands as a beacon of forgotten knowledge, urging us to reconsider what we know about our past and to imagine a future where ancient technologies inform modern solutions. Before this journey ends, remember to explore the works of those who dared to challenge the status quo. For within their insights lies the key to unlocking the secrets of the past and shaping the possibilities of tomorrow.